Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Today's we'll try to do the outdoor screen flickering issue test in the Oneplus Nord 2 device by using the full brightness in this phone. So let's see friends, how will be the Oneplus Nord 2 phone will be there outside. So if you try to use the full brightness mode at this point. So let's see whether we can actually see any kind of flickering happening in this phone or not at this point. So right now as you can see friends, so right now I did use the full brightness mode and I'm trying to be in the outdoor sunlight. You can exactly see here. And there's a little bit kind of flickering is going on. So even though if I try to change to 60 Hz or 90 Hz, so it doesn't matter. So still you'll be able to see this kind of flickering. But one thing is that this flickering cannot be seen with your eyes. So you need another smartphone camera only. So this is a quick review which I am just mentioning on this OnePlus Nord device. And in case if you have any other queries on this OnePlus Nord, let me know in the comment section below friends. And don't forget to check the playlist for more details about this OnePlus Nord 2. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.